asuntosykeyhtiö Itä-Soukka, Soukanahde, 7&8, Soukka, Espoo, staircase F. I have filmed staircase G, H, L, M, N, and and I, of course, and there's no staircase G. There's no staircase J in this building. Finland 7&8F. 6th floor. 6 persons of 500 kilograms. And these elevators were maintained by Tapio and his before, so these are in a bit bad condition still. Even these are now maintained by Kone, but they were in worse condition when they were maintained by Tapio and his. Ground floor. Inspected by Kiva and maintained by Kone. This building has one of the best elevators I have in Espoo. These are rare because these are so big caves. Even bigger than in new apartment buildings. They are for 8 persons, but this is big enough for 13 persons or 14. Ground floor.